Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of unlocking your Twitter account by completing a reCAPTCHA on X using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Twitter account using your credentials. Step 2. Look for the message notifying you that your account has been locked. Step 3. Select Start to begin the unlocking process. Step 4. You will see a pinwheel or wait cursor while the reCAPTCHA check completes in the background. You do not need to do anything. Step 5. Once we've confirmed that you are not a robot, select Continue to X to unlock your account. And that's it. You have successfully unlocked your Twitter account by completing a reCAPTCHA on X using your PC. Remember to keep your account secure and follow Twitter's guidelines to avoid any future issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.